why Pulsetto doesn't help, and recommendations. Thank you for choosing Pulsetto to support your wellness journey. We understand that achieving the desired effects from vagus nerve stimulation can vary from person to person, and it can be frustrating if this was your last resort and you don't see the instant result you might have been hoping for. Don't worry, VNS isn't always supposed to give you an instant result, and here's more scientific reasons about VNS effectiveness. Each person's body responds differently to vagus nerve stimulation. Some may feel immediate effects, while others might require consistent use over time to notice significant changes. That's why we state that you need to use the device at least 3 weeks to see the first result. Some people need even more time than that. The level of stimulation may be too low for you to perceive its effects. It's possible that the settings need to be adjusted to better suit your unique physiology. In the app, once you turn on any kind of session, you're able to adjust the intensity up or down. All it does is change the strength of frequencies provided. During the stimulation, you should feel string tingling. It shouldn't be painful, but it should be more than just mild. The effects of vagus nerve stimulation may not be immediately noticeable, especially if used during times of low stress or when you're already relaxed. Regular use, particularly during periods of stress or anxiety, might yield more noticeable results. Like any wellness practice, the benefits of vagus nerve stimulation can accumulate over time. Inconsistent use may result in less noticeable effects. We recommend using the device at least twice per day, minimum 15 minutes every day. Everything less than that might not bring you the results you expect. External factors like hydration, sleep, diet, and overall stress levels can influence how your body responds to vagus nerve stimulation. If you're feeling particularly stressed or fatigued, it might take longer for the effect to become apparent. So don't worry if you don't see the instant results from the first Pulsetto session. That's okay, as vagus nerve stimulation is a journey, not just a single step. But believe me, once you start using it regularly and start seeing the first results, you will see how much better your life gets. We have 100,000 clients throughout the whole world for a reason. By the way, around 20% of them didn't believe in VNS and wanted to give up on that. But giving it more consistency and time, they are now happy to have VNS in their lives. So if you feel like you need additional recommendations or consultation, reach out to us and we will be happy to help.